Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. I have very easy, quick, and effective methods of learning to speak English or to speak English fluently and confidently within no time. And all these methods, all these practice sessions are effortless, guys. Take it from me. Go and check my playlist. You'll get to know a lot about my daily conversation practice sessions, a lot of speak with me, repeat after me, shadowing sessions, a lot of pronunciation and vocabulary sessions, and lots more, right? Wherein you will see very basic day-to-day topics which I pick up and speak on it so that it's easier for you to understand, relate to, and practice well, so that if tomorrow that comes up in your conversation with anyone, anywhere, anytime, you will be able to deliver. Yes. On that note, guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos free of cost on time. Today I'm going to take up another conversation session wherein I'm going to pick up a topic which is very dear to all of us. We all have memories about it and we all love to talk about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the topic into different parts, and I'm going to come up with a question so that it's easier for you to answer that question in a structured way, right? You should know how to start, what should be the body and what should be the ending. Okay, and what you can do is you can either speak with me, like you and me together, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, you can take my idea and you can speak on your own, or you can add your own ideas, or you can take my topic and speak on your own ideas. So you can do n number of things, guys. You just have to take that initiative and start speaking. Switch on your video camera and start speaking in front of your camera so that you can record it, and once you get time you can listen to it and you can improve on that. Okay, so that is the best way to improve, right? You can be your own teacher here. You can see where you are wrong, where you are less confident, what you lack. You will be able to understand. Trust me on this. It's not difficult. So try doing this and you'll definitely make progress. So now let's get back to the topic. I'm going to pick up the topic of my school picnic. Yes, it's very nostalgic, I know. When I thought of this topic, I went back to my childhood and I was so happy thinking about it. Like childhood is amazing, right? We all want to be a child again. So it's really good. That's the best part of life, or that's the best time. Trust me. So anyways, school picnics are always very special because, when we are in school, we don't get to go out without our parents, right? Our parents are very concerned. So whenever we go out, we go with our parents, and they don't allow us to go with anybody at that time, right? So school picnic is the first time where we go out with our classmates and teachers, like without our parents, right? So we are pretty much excited about it, and we look forward to the picnic. So I'm going to talk about this. I'm sure this would have happened to you as well. If not school, you would have gone for a college picnic. Whatever picnic you have gone, you can just speak about it. Okay, I am speaking about my school picnic. You can take up any picnic which you have done. So the first thing we'll talk about is planning. How do we plan for a picnic? Or what planning we do for the picnic? Okay, so we'll start answering this question first. But before that, we have to talk about from the beginning, like where it all started. Okay, for example, or we can start with our school organized a picnic for all of us on Friday. For that, we have to get our parents' approval. Once we get the permission from our parents, we can go for the picnic. So I went back home and I spoke to my mom and dad, and I told them that school is organizing a picnic on this Friday and I wanted to be a part of that picnic. The whole class is going for the picnic. So my parents were a little confused, but then finally, seeing at my excitement, they agreed and they signed it, which means they permitted me to go for the picnic. The other day I went to school and I was very excited, and I told the teacher that I got the permission from my parents to go to the picnic. Everybody was very happy. My friends were also going with me. So I was pretty much excited about the picnic. So we started talking to each other like what all things we'll do at the picnic. So we started planning. So the first thing which came up was our teacher told us that we can bring our tiffin boxes. We can get some stuffs for everybody, can get some or the other stuff to eat, so that we will have a lot of things for everybody and we can share it with all. Okay, so we decided on what food we are going to bring for the picnic, and then the next thing we decided on was what games we are going to play at the picnic. Right, so picnics are always about food and fun, right? And when we have a lot of friends with us, of course we will be more excited about it, for about what we are going to do at the picnic, right? So the food we decided, then our teachers helped us to decide on the food. So somebody decided to bring sandwich, somebody decided to bring rice, somebody decided to bring rolls, somebody decided to bring noodles, pasta, etc., etc. So these were some stuffs which we came up with, which was picnic food only. Our teachers told us that we have to bring picnic food only, burgers, sandwiches, and those kind of stuffs, right? So we can bring puris and parathas and all, but then no gravy items there. So we decided to bring all these food items, which is kind of dry items, not very liquidy. And then the next thing, we decided on what games we are going to play at the picnic. So we thought of bringing up some ball, cricket bat and ball. We thought of bringing a football. We thought of bringing a skipping rope. We thought of playing kho-kho. We thought of playing hide and seek. So we decided on a lot of stuffs. And then teachers also suggested that us to come up with some indoor games also. So we thought of getting Ludo along with us. Somebody got chess also with them. Carrom board was difficult to carry, so we didn't do that. We didn't bring that. So these small games we just thought of taking along with the ball, a bat, cricket bat, Ludo and skipping rope and all those things, hula hoops. So these things we got along with. We thought of taking along with us. Okay, so that was the planning stage. Next stage is what we can talk about is how did we go and what did we do there. Okay, so how did we do? We'll start from the day of the picnic arrived. We all went to the school at 7 o'clock, a little early. So we reached the school by 7 o'clock. And then there was a bus which was there. We sat on the bus, school bus. Our teachers were also there and we all left for the picnic spot. The picnic spot was 2 hours from our place, from the school. So it was 2 hours drive. We enjoyed on the school bus as well. We sang a lot of songs. We played a lot of Antakshari. Our teachers also got some snacks for us. So the school provided some snacks for us. So we had some snacks also on the way. And we were very happy. We were very excited. 2 hours just went by and we finally reached the picnic spot. Once we reached there, we all were very happy to see. It was a beautiful location, and there was a big playground, and there was a place also to sit. So it was kind of a farmhouse or a resort sort of thing, wherein there was a place to stay also. We can sit there. There was a big playground where we can enjoy, we can play, and there was a eating place also, like where we can go and sit and eat together. Okay, so this was the arrangement there. So we got down and our teachers asked us to have breakfast first. So we went to the dining area and we opened our tiffins and we had our breakfast first. We had our food. After having food, we decided to go out and play. Okay, we all went outside to the playground and we saw it was a huge ground. And we were so happy looking at the ground because, we wanted to play. We had that feeling that we are like a free bird. Like nobody is there to chase after, right? Our parents are not there, like, don't go, don't do this, don't do that. So we were so excited about it. We were so happy about that, it's a huge place and we can run and we can do anything what we want and nobody is there after us. Of course, the teachers were there, but they were like, they wanted us to enjoy, right? So we started, our teachers made things easier for us. They formed 3-4 different groups and they asked us to play what they want to. So one group started playing cricket, the other group started playing football, the other group started playing racing game or whatever, skipping or kho. So we were divided into 3-4 groups, and we each group started playing a different game. And when that group finished that game, it can switch to other game, and the other person can come, the other group can come start playing the other game. So all the games were swapped like this, so that everybody plays different games. And so we played a lot of games there. And then after playing for some time, like 2 hours, our teachers asked us to take some rest, and we took some rest, and we had some drinks also there. And then finally we got lunch packets, and then it was lunch time, so we got some lunch packets also by the school, and we opened it and we ate that lunch. We were talking to each other, we were having a great time there. We all were so happy at the time. I don't know what was the feeling. We just had that feeling that we are so free, nobody's after us. We just had that feeling, and we were so happy. We spoke to each other, we shared our dabbas also, we shared our food packets also, and we laughed, and we enjoyed a lot. Once our lunch was over, then our teachers asked us to play some indoor games. We started playing some indoor games then, like Ludo or anything, what we want to, chess or whatever people brought with them. So we started playing that game. Some people got the business game or other games as well. So we all started playing whatever games we had at that time after lunch. And then after playing all these games, finally it was 5 o'clock, and the teachers asked us to pack up everything so that we can get on the bus and go home. And that was only part of the day which we didn't like, because we wanted to stay more. But of course, it was school's responsibility and teachers' responsibility also to make sure that we reach home on time. Okay, so that was what we did at the picnic. Coming to the last part, we can talk about how was our experience. How was our overall experience? So talking about the experience, of course, it was a great experience, because it was the first time we went outside at a place with our friends or with our school mates, with our classmates and teachers. So it was a different feeling altogether. We always go out with parents and siblings and family and friends. But this was a very different feeling, because we had to go to a different spot which is 2 hours away, and we went to a different place with different set of people. It was our time basically. We spent our time playing. So it was our time. We enjoyed that, we organized that, we thought of like what games we are going to play, what we are going to eat. So it was all self-owned. So that is why we were very happy about it. And we all know during childhood we are so excited about our friends. We want to play with our friends, we want to spend time with our friends. So that is why when we get to play with our friends, or we are with our friends, we are so happy, and we really don't realize about the time, right? So going to a picnic or a school picnic was something which was very exciting and very entertaining for us, and it was a very different experience. Now also we go on picnics, but it is very different. But if you compare your school picnic and picnic when we go out with our friends, like college friends, or we go out with our family, it's a very different experience, right? So during our childhood we love to play, and school picnics are always fun just because we get to play a lot there, right? We are free there. Nobody's after us. We are allowed to do whatever we want to. And that was the best part. We really had a great time, and we didn't realize how time passed. We then sat on the bus at 5 o'clock, and we reached by 7 o'clock. Our parents were there at school, and they came to pick us up, and finally we came home. So yes, it was a wonderful experience. And if you also get a chance to go to the picnic, school picnic, college picnic, or any picnic, just go ahead, go for a picnic. It's really it's a very feel good thing. You get re-energized, you get rejuvenated, you get de-stressed a lot. There are lots of benefits of going out and spending some time in nature, or at any picnic spot you can go. You can just enjoy the time with your family or friends. It will be a wonderful experience. You can get your own food also. You can order something and you can take it along with you. Or probably there are a lot of picnic spots where there are restaurants also, where you can also eat there as well, right? So you can do a number of things there. So if you get a chance, do go for it. It's a different feeling altogether and it's a good experience overall. So guys, this is how I spoke about my school picnic. You can also speak about any picnic which you have attended or if you have gone to. You can just talk about it. You can divide it into 3 parts. First is how did you plan for the picnic, second is what did you do at the picnic, and third is how was your experience and conclusion basically. So how was your experience, and you can conclude the whole thing. So it will become a story sort of. Okay, so it will be structured like since beginning what you did till the end. So this is how we structure our speech when we talk about anything, right? So start taking up topics and dividing it into different parts and each part come up with a question in each part and start speaking about it. It will be much easier for you to speak on a particular topic. Take it from me, it's a guarantee. Start practicing it in this way at least for a month. Take out 10 minutes of yours every day, record it, probably take 2 or 3 attempts. It will be very effective. It will be a very effective way of practicing English speaking and you will see the difference very soon. Well, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep watching, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.